cold, lifeless steel plate. How does it turn into a 100-ton machine that can move mountains, crush obstacles, and work non-stop for thousands of hours? Today we're going inside the factory to see exactly how a bulldozer is made, from raw steel to a powerful machine. Stay until the end, because the final testing stage might surprise you. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. Bulldozers are among the most powerful machines in heavy industry. Companies like Caterpillar and Liebherr produce thousands of units every year. A modern bulldozer can be over 10 meters long, nearly 5 meters tall, and weigh more than 100 tons. But here's the surprising part. Despite that weight, the ground pressure can sometimes be lower than a human footprint. That balance is what makes this machine so effective. Everything starts in the digital world. Engineers use advanced CAD software to design not just the shape, but the strength and durability of the machine. They simulate extreme conditions, pushing heavy loads, heat distribution, and stability on slopes. Before anything is built, every possible risk is tested and solved virtually. A bulldozer is built using multiple types of high-strength steel. The main frame and blade require tough alloy steel, while the tracks need highly wear-resistant materials. Massive steel plates are sourced and prepared for production. This careful material selection is key to the machine's durability and long lifespan. Next comes the cutting process. CNC plasma cutters and laser systems slice through thick steel with extreme precision. Plasma temperatures can reach up to 20,000 degrees Celsius, melting through metal effortlessly. Even a tiny error at this stage can affect the entire machine, so accuracy is critical. After cutting, the steel is shaped using powerful hydraulic presses. These machines apply thousands of tons of force to bend and form the metal. This is where major components like the cabin, blade structure, and body panels take shape. The core structure of the bulldozer begins to form here. The formed parts are then refined using CNC machining. Critical areas like engine mounts and bearing surfaces are smoothed to exact tolerances. Even a slight misalignment can cause damaging vibrations. This step ensures perfect fit and high precision. Now the components are brought together. Robotic welding systems join large sections, while skilled workers handle complex areas. This process transforms separate parts into a single, solid frame. It creates the structural backbone that can handle extreme stress. This is where the machine comes to life. A powerful engine, often over 800 horsepower, is installed using heavy cranes. Hydraulic systems, fuel lines, and cooling systems are carefully connected. At this stage, the bulldozer becomes a functional machine. The undercarriage is one of the most critical parts. Forged steel components like rollers, idlers, and track links are assembled. Then the massive steel tracks are installed and connected. This is the moment the bulldozer stands on its own for the first time. Finally, the machine is tested. Engine performance, pressure, and temperature are checked. Then it's taken to real ground for heavy-duty testing, pushing soil, turning, and handling loads. Once everything passes inspection, the bulldozer is ready for delivery. From raw steel plates to a fully operational giant, building a bulldozer is a process of precision, power, and engineering excellence. It's not just a machine, it's a tool that helps build roads, cities, and infrastructure around the world. Now here's a question for you. Which part do you think is the most important in a bulldozer? The engine, the tracks, or the blade?